The KPS MT480 is much more than just a digital multimeter. It's a multifunction diagnostic tool that combines standard electrical measurements with LAN testing functions. Ideal for electricians, network technicians, and heating professionals. What really sets the MT480 apart are two key features: line tracing, which allows you to identify specific cables within an installation, and network cable integrity testing, which quickly and efficiently checks their condition and connectivity. This includes the ability to check that terminations have been properly carried out, thus ensuring compliant and reliable connections. Equipped with a 2000 count digital display with backlighting, the MT480 provides clear and reliable readings in all lighting conditions. It allows for precise measurements of AC and DC voltage and current, resistance, as well as diode testing and a continuity buzzer for quick fault detection. It also includes DC microampere measurement, essential for testing in heating systems, allowing technicians to check the proper functioning of safety probes on gas burners. Among its other practical features are non-contact voltage detection, maximum value capture, the hold function, and auto-range mode for smooth and intuitive use. To ensure reliable use in the field, the MT480 is equipped with a low battery indicator as well as automatic shut-off to save power. Rated for Category 3, 600 volts, the MT480 offers a complete solution in a compact and robust device. Perfect for electrical and network professionals who are looking for a single tool that does it all.